Guys, this fast on Ghana SM TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. Guys, confusion aye BASAA. Confusion aye BASAA. Like NDC is just confused. They do not know how to lie to Ghanaians anymore. Contradictions upon contradictions. What is going on? So guys, President Mahama visited the OFANKOR on Sawam Road. The road President AKUFFO started as a continuation to the Kumasi roads. Guys, President Mahama visited the road because there have been a lot of videos and the residents have been complaining so much about how deteriorating that road has become, and the road keeps on flooding. Now, President Mahama and his entourage went there and had a lot to say. Guys, I appreciate it. As if that is not enough, there has been a lot of contradictions from the Finance Minister, AKUFFO. According to AKUFFO, $750 million was received for 3 roads, including the Swami interchange. Now, President AKUFFO allocated $350 million for the OFANKOR and Sawam Road. However, President AKUFFO's administration only gave $100 million to the contractor, and they have squandered the rest of the money.
100% is gone. They paid at once. It's spent.
So they gave us $750 million for about 4 projects, of which this road should have taken about 350, and only 170 was paid.
Yes.
And so, what are you going to do about that?
Oh, the money has been so. You know, they always say money is fungible, so they use it to fund something else. And but in the end, the money is finished. So that's what it is. It's finished.
Journalists asked him, "Are you sure this is not 1/3 of the money?" He said he cannot speak to it. If you cannot speak to it, why do you say it? We have the road minister also granting interviews and exposing the inconsistency of the NDC government. According to the road minister is saying that President AKUFFO's administration paid the contractor $195 million. So now who is lying? Confusion upon confusion. Guys, the God of AKUFFO is still existing. The God of AKUFFO is exposing all the lies, all the propaganda of the NDC government. Guys, listen to the Minister of Roads. Guys, this is...
He picked up on something. But even, let's go to the point he made. The president made a point that the NPP said that road was a priority. And they took a loan of $750 million from Afri-Exim. And according to the former minister, my good friend, they allocated $200 million to that project. You are right, the total cost of the project is around $340 million.
Okay.
In the first place, why we were awarding to that project, you are right, the total cost of the project is around $340 million.
Okay.
In the first place, why we were awarding a GOG funded project in dollars in clear contravention of the Bank of Ghana rules is another matter we can discuss on a different day, because it is not a project that we should have been that way. Now, if he says they allocated $200 million, but on record, what the contractor was paid was $195 million.
Okay.
So that is another question he needed to ask. He needs to respond.
And hopefully, if the contractor continues at the pace at which they are working, we shouldn't have any more difficulty almost up to the end of the project. We are very grateful for your support. Thank you.
There's a major arterial road in the country because it connects the 2 biggest cities in Ghana. And so any challenges with this contract affect a huge number of commuters because of the heavy traffic that passes through here. And so we were quite concerned about the complaints that were coming from the traveling public. And so we are happy to see that the traffic is flowing. But what I say to contractors is, yes, we know you have work to do, but one of your duties too is site management, to make sure that your work does not impede the flow of traffic. So you must make adequate arrangements so that even while you're working, you are creating the conditions for traffic to flow. I can understand what happened. A loan was taken for this project, and I don't understand why the money is finished and the project is not over, and that we're having to come and pay supplementary almost 78 million from government of Ghana funds. So that's something that we need to find out. What really happened? How come the loan that was taken was not enough? Was it that the estimate for the project was not done properly, or what happened? But I can see that drivers are happy now, and I hope that from now till when you finish the project, you maintain a smooth flow of traffic even as you're working, so that you don't impede the flow of traffic. So we'll hold you to your word. You say by end of second quarter next year, you should be finished. Okay, so after the exhaustion of the current payment that has been made, would it be enough to finish, or is there a supplementary payment?
Well, as the Honorable said, we still have some more money left in the contract, to pay the contractor. So I believe that maybe in the course of time, we will probably raise another certificate, and that should be able to take us to the end of the project.
Okay, what we've done is, like I instructed the minister, we've moved this contract onto the Big Push program, and enough provision has been made for the Big Push projects. Yeah, this year we have about 14 billion cedis, and next year we have another 30 billion cedis. So I think that there will be sufficient resources to keep contractors going. So as government commits to pay you well, you too must commit to move faster on the road and also use quality materials. One of the major problems with road contractors in this country is the quality of material. And so you build the road, after a short while, the road starts to deteriorate. And so, I mean, your company is one of the well-known road construction companies in Ghana. And so we hope that this will be a mark of the quality of your brand. And so, thank you very much.
First of all, you took a loan from, what do you call it, AfriExim, $750 million. You've paid $100 million. The rest of the money, you've spent it.